Hi, welcome back to Circuits with Angel. Today we will be making a 3D turtle. I'm making this turtle simply because I like turtles, and I thought I could make a pretty cute turtle. I originally had another turtle that stood up, but it printed out really bad. I might make another video on how to make that one because I really like the design. Now let's move on to actually building the turtle. To make the body, you have to take a sphere and make it 32 millimeters here, and 34 millimeters here, and then make it 23.5 millimeters tall. Then tilt it 90 degrees, and lift it so it isn't in the floor of the program. Then we will make the head, which is 18.15 millimeters here, 13 millimeters here, and 12.57 millimeters tall. I'm just going to rotate mine so it goes in the right direction on the body. Then raise it by 29 millimeters and tilt it by 42 degrees to the left. Now we get to make eyes. We just take out a sphere and make it 5 millimeters in every box. Then raise it to 38 millimeters in height and move it onto the head. After you make it look okay, you copy and paste it and move it onto the other side of the head. Then you have 2 eyes on your turtle. Then we are going to make some legs for the turtle. We take out another sphere and make it 22 millimeters here and 10 millimeters here, and make the height 7.1 millimeter. Then we move it into the turtle and tilt it by 22.5 degrees. Then you copy paste it with Ctrl C and then Ctrl V and use the mirror option right there and move it onto the other side and put it there. And there's the other leg. Then we make the upper legs of the turtle. We copy paste this and raise it by 18 millimeters. Then copy paste again and use the mirror and move the arm over again. Then you have a turtle. You can go print it out now on your 3D printer if you have one. And remember, if you have a 3D design idea, you can tell me in the comments and I'll make a video about it. And that's all. Thank you for watching and see you next time.